5 tips to starting your reseller hosting business. If you've ever considered getting into web hosting business, reseller hosting is the best way to do it. It is fairly simple to manage, and it does not need you to invest a huge amount of money. Here are our 5 tips for you to start your reseller hosting business. Determine your client base. Web hosting is a competitive business that requires you to stand out to grab attention. Find a niche audience that has low hosting penetration and build a strong customer base. Choose your hosting partner. Choose your hosting partner with care, as your business will be using their infrastructure. Confirm a hosting provider's track record and reliability through customer reviews. Select a hosting plan. Selecting the right hosting plan is also important, as it will determine the extent of your business. If your plan will run out quickly if it's too small, and you'll be wasting money if it is too big. Create custom plans. Almost all regular hosting providers offer fixed hosting plans, as it is economical for them. As a hosting reseller, you can create customized plans based on your client's needs and make it your USP. Market your business. After everything is set, it is finally time to let people know about your hosting business. Use social media and digital marketing to maximize the reach of your business. HostGator's reseller hosting plans come with seamless upgrades, WHM control panel and 24/7 support. Give your reseller hosting business a great start with 99.9% uptime and premium infrastructure.